everyone, welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making the one and only creamy dill sauce. It's rich, fresh and just tangy enough to make your taste buds dance. The list of ingredients is also below this video. First things first, give the dill a nice cold shower, not to wake it up, just to wash off any garden leftovers. Let it dry a bit, then chop it finely like a pro. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan and add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix it well. This combo will make our sauce nice and thick, not runny. Think of it as the foundation for all the creamy magic coming later. When it's all nicely combined, pour in about 3 cups of broth. If you are out of broth, warm water works too. We won't tell anyone. Keep stirring and add 3/4 cup of milk. That's where the smooth texture starts coming together. Smells pretty good already, doesn't it? Now let it simmer gently on medium to low heat for about 20 minutes. This gives it time to thicken up and let that flour taste disappear completely. Think of it as the sauce little spa moment. Just relax and give it an occasional stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Next, pour in 1 cup of half and half cream. Keep stirring as it blends in. This is where the sauce really turns silky and smooth. You will see it transform right before your eyes into the dreamy creamy texture we are after. Now, grab the chopped dill and just dump it right in. No need to be gentle here. Give it a good stir and the aroma hits instantly. Fresh, herby and cozy all at once. That's the smell of comfort in saucepan. For taste, add a little salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. That's where the magic happens. Give it a good stir so everything combines nicely. The sauce should be creamy, smooth and smell amazing. Taste it. Maybe it needs a tiny more sweetness or a little more vinegar kick. It's totally up to you. Everyone's dill sauce personality is different, and that's the fun part. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes so all these flavors can become best friends. Keep stirring occasionally. We don't want anything sticky. And it's the perfect excuse to show off your fancy wooden spoon skills. And now, the grand finale. Add 1 tablespoon of sour cream, stir again, and let it simmer for another minute or 2. That's it. Your creamy dill sauce is ready to steal the show. Serve it with boiled potatoes and hard-boiled eggs, like we did, or try it with Czech bread dumplings. Either way, it's super yummy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and follow Simply Food Recipes for more deliciousness. Thanks for watching.